Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be super special because in today's video I'm gonna talk about body care and skincare products. And I love skincare products. I love to take care of my skin, and lately I've been using a lot of different kind of body care and skincare products, and I wanted to share the same with you guys, and I wanted to give my reviews, what I feel about those products. So in case if you want to try out any new skincare or body care products, then you can keep all these products in mind, and you can also go for them if you would like. So I'm gonna be giving you my reviews and what I feel about those products, whether I like them or not, whether it's a hit or a miss. So if you want to know my reviews about these products, then please continue watching. So this is a box of magic. In this box I keep all my skincare, my favorite skincare and body care products. Like, I can't fit all of them inside this box, but yeah, my holy grails and the product which I like, I keep them inside this box. And yeah, it's from Marvel because I love Marvel comics. And if you're wondering where I get this box from, it's from Miniso. Miniso is there is a huge sale going on in Miniso. So if you want to try out any makeup products or any accessories or any this kind of some stuff, then you can definitely check it out. So now coming back to the video, the first product which I'll be talking to you guys about, it's a body cream. So basically a body moisturizer. So this is from Bath and Body Works. It's the warm vanilla sugar ultra sheer body cream. So that's what it looks like. So I've been using this cream from like more than 1 month now, and I'm in love with this cream, guys. I can't tell you enough how much I like this cream. Actually, I have so many Bath and Body products, and mm, I like all of them are not my favorite, but this is like one of my favorite products. It is a very nice moisturizer, guys. So if you are a dry skin type like me, I'm a dry skin type, like very very dry skin. And if you want a good moisturizer for you, your if you want a good moisturizer for you which keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized throughout the day, then you should definitely check this one out. Because as the name says that it's a cream, so that means it has a thick consistency which will give your body or your skin a very good amount of moisturization. So yeah, if you want to try any moisturizer, then you can check this one out. Now the next product which I want to talk to you guys about, it's a serum. So it's from Dermaco. It's a 20% vitamin C serum, and that's what it looks like. I have seen a lot of YouTubers commenting about this serum, like it's saying that it is a very good serum. So basically, vitamin C, what vitamin C does is that it reduces the scars, and it helps in protecting our skin from acne. And if you don't have active acne, if you have active acne, then I would suggest you first go to a dermat and ask him about your skin. Because active acne means that something is really wrong inside your body and not outside. But if you have normal zits coming out, then you can definitely check this one out. So I used to apply it like every day, like every night before going to bed. I used to apply it on my face, but then I observed that my skin started breaking out around my chin area and around my forehead. So I went to the Insta page and I consulted them that I am using this serum, but because of this my skin is breaking out, and it has never happened before. I've never had active acne, guys. Like I never suffered from that. I have a sensitive skin, yes. So sometimes my skin gets reddish, but not active acne as such. So yeah, I asked them and they advised me to use it like alternate days. I am seeing a huge difference on my skin. My skin is not breaking out. I'm not getting any acne as such now, and it is giving me a very good result now, guys. My skin is getting clear and very smooth also. So when I wake up in the morning, I can see that I can see the difference clearly on my skin. So if you want to buy any serum, then you can definitely go for this one. And also Dermaco is an Indian brand, so if you want to help any Indian brands, then you should definitely check this one out. Now the next product which I would be talking about, I don't know how many times I've talked about this product on my channel, like it is one of my holy grail product. It's the Calm Ayurveda Pure Rose Water Mist, and this is my holy grail product. It's a bomb product, guys. I cannot do without this product. So the name suggests that it is a mist. So what I do is whenever I take a shower, and after I come out of the shower, I just spray it all over my face, and it just gives me that refreshed feeling. And and the fragrance is also very good, guys. It's all natural. So if you want to try this mist out, then you should definitely do. It has always been in my skincare routine. This is the first product that I use after washing my face, and it has given me very good results, guys. It calms my skin down. So whenever I am feeling tired, or whenever I feel a bit itchy on my face, and I just spray it all over my face, and it calms my skin very easily and very quickly. So if you want to try this one out, then definitely do. And all the prices and all those things, I'll leave all those details in the description box below, so you can definitely check it out in case I forgot mentioning it here in the video. So the next product which I want to talk to you guys about is the sunscreen. It's from Lotus. It's the Indian Summer Formula, sweat and waterproof and non-greasy. It's SPF 30. So that's how it looks like. So basically the sunscreen protects the skin from UVA and UVB rays, which are very harmful for our skin. You can get wrinkles in a very early age, and your skin can get like scars, and your skin can get red and all those things. So it is, the rays are very harmful for your skin, so it helps in protecting our skin. So as the name suggests, that it is a sweat and waterproof formula. So whenever you are going out, even though you are not going out, guys, it is very mandatory to apply a sunscreen. Even you are staying at home, and when you go out, so it becomes a must to apply a sunscreen. If you are wearing makeup, then below your makeup you should apply a sunscreen. So whenever you're going out on a beach, or when you're going on a mall or outside anywhere, you should definitely apply a sunscreen. And if you don't know which sunscreen to go for, then you can definitely check this one out. It retails for 300 something bucks, but it comes with a good quantity. So yeah, you should check this one out. And I love this sunscreen. I've been using it for years now. So in this video, guys, I'm not going in a particular order. I'm just showing you whatever comes in my hand. So the next product is also a sunscreen, guys, but it's a different kind of sunscreen. So it's from Nimli. It's a mattifying sunscreen with SPF 30 plus, and that's how it looks like. It comes in a spray bottle, which makes it very easy to use. So if you're too lazy to use a physical sunscreen and apply it with your hands, you can just spray it all over your face, and you're good to go. And the best part which I like about this sunscreen is, guys, that it claims to not clog your pores, which is a very good thing, because generally what happens is whenever we apply anything on a face, it usually clog our pores, which this sunscreen doesn't do. So in case you want to try any sunscreen out, you can definitely do, and it comes in very handy as well. And Nimli is also an Indian brand. So yeah. And guys, if you're noticing, I have tried to change my background. So if you like my background, then please also let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, now coming to the next product, this is a lip cream, and it's from the Face Shop. It's the mango range, I guess. Yeah. So this is a lip balm basically. So I got this lip balm, and I've been using it for like 1 to 2 weeks now. So basically it gives your lips a good amount of moisturization for like around 6 to 7 hours. But one thing I would like to tell you guys, that it retails for around 400 or 450 bucks, which is very costly for a lip balm, and that too in this size, which is very small actually. So if you don't want to buy this one, then you should try the Himalaya lip balm range. They have very good range of lip balms. So I have mentioned the same in my previous videos as well. So yeah, in case you don't want to use this one, you can go for Himalaya one as well. Now the next product which I want to talk to you guys about, it's also a body moisturizer. It's also from Bath and Body Works, and it's the aromatherapy range. It's the Stress Relief by Bath and Body Works, which has eucalyptus and tea with natural essential oils. So this is the one. Now as you can see, I have emptied it till hair. And yeah, so what I feel about this lotion, guys, is that it's not for dry skin girls. If you want to try anything, then you should go for the vanilla one, and if you are an oily skin type, then you should try this one. What happens is, when I apply this moisturizer to my skin, it gets absorbed very easily to my skin, which I don't like. I like moisturizers which sits on my skin and doesn't get sticky as well. So I don't like this one as much as the vanilla one. So if you an oily skin girl, then you can definitely go for this one. And it retails for, I think, $1,000 or something, but there is always a sale going on in Bath and Body Works, so you can definitely get buy two get two free or something like that. So you should check their website. So the next product which I want to talk to you guys about is the face scrub. It's from the Face Shop. It's their honey black sugar scrub, and that's how it looks like. Now this has become one of my favorite scrub, guys. I cannot do without this scrub. It is so soothing, and it moisturizes my skin so nicely, I just can't tell you. So basically it has small sugar beads, I think, and what I do is I just take a small amount of this product and I just rub it on my fingertips and I just apply it on my face. So the sugar beads, I think, that melts on my skin, and that gives me a very a hydrated skin. And the best part which I like about this scrub is that it doesn't strips out all the natural oils from my face. So what I do for whenever I apply any face scrub, I just observe that whether it's stripping out all the natural oils from my face or not, and it does not do that. And I love this. In fact, hydrates it double hydrates my skin, so that's why I like this product. And after applying this, I don't feel like applying any moisturizer as such, because it gives me that kind of hydration. So if you want to try any scrub, so you should definitely check this one out. I just apply it once a week, and that's it. I am good to go, and it retails for, I think, $900, but it's worth every single penny, guys. So you should definitely check this one out. Now the last product, but not the least, it's from the Face Shop, and it's their calendula range. Now I have a toner and the moisturizer from their calendula range. Now I got this free with some other product that I got from the Face Shop. So this is the toner. It's the mini size, and this one is the moisturizer. Now I like these products. Like, actually, when I use the toner after using the mist, it definitely calms my skin down, and it definitely suits my skin. And also the moisturizer, it gives a very good amount of moisturization and hydration to my skin, which I really like. And this calendula range is specially for that only, to moisturize your skin. So in case you want to try any good moisturizer and toner, then you can definitely go for the Face Shop's calendula range, the toner and the moisturizer. You don't have to buy these two together, you can buy them separately as well. And guys, I know, like, my background is not perfect, so don't mind it. I'm just trying out different places in my house where the background where I can find a very nice background, and I like this one. So I just need to improve it, I guess, a bit. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. That's all my skincare and body care product which I'm using currently. And if you like my video, then please let me know in the comment section below, and also do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you don't follow me on Insta, then please do. So whatever products I buy, I just first give my reviews on Insta, like what I feel about them. So yeah, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.